Have you ever felt like life was spinning out of control? And no matter how hard you try, things just don't seem to fall into place. What if I told you that the secret to finding peace and achieving your dreams isn't in working harder or worrying more, but in letting go and trusting the universe? In today's fast-paced, high-pressure world, we're conditioned to believe that success comes only through relentless effort and constant control. But what if that approach is exactly what's holding you back? What if the magic happens when you release the need to control every outcome, relax deeply, and allow the universe to guide you? I'm here to share how shifting my mindset, embracing relaxation, and trusting the unseen forces of the universe transformed my life. I'll walk you through my personal strategies, simple, yet powerful steps I use daily to let go of stress, align with my desires, and trust the universe to deliver in ways I never imagined. If you're ready to discover how to stop fighting life and start flowing with it, to let go of anxiety and embrace peace while still manifesting your dreams, then this is the perfect message for you. Sit back, take a deep breath, and let me show you how trusting the universe can change everything. One of the greatest paradoxes in life is that to achieve your deepest desires, you must let go of the need to control every detail. It's natural to feel the urge to plan, push, and force outcomes, but this often creates resistance, stress, and frustration. When you surrender control and trust the process, you allow the universe to align circumstances in ways you couldn't have imagined. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means releasing attachment to the how and when of your desires. Imagine planting a seed in fertile soil. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. Instead, you trust that nature is working behind the scenes. Similarly, when you relax and surrender, you signal to the universe that you have faith in its ability to deliver what's meant for you. This act of surrender allows you to shift from a state of fear and lack to one of trust and abundance. It frees your mind from overthinking and opens your heart to receive opportunities, insights, and blessings. The energy of desperation repels, while the energy of trust attracts. Letting go is about staying aligned with your desires, but not clinging to them. It's about enjoying the journey, knowing that everything is unfolding in perfect timing. When you release control, you create space for miracles to flow. Trust the universe, it knows the perfect way to bring your dreams to life. The key to manifesting your desires lies in embodying the feeling of already done. This means aligning your emotions, thoughts, and actions with the reality of your dreams being fulfilled right now. When you live in this energy, you shift from hoping or wishing to knowing and believing, which creates a powerful magnetic pull for the universe to reflect that reality back to you. Imagine how you would feel if your deepest desires were already yours. Perhaps it's a sense of relief, joy, gratitude, or peace. Close your eyes and visualize that life in vivid detail, the sights, sounds, and emotions of living your dream. Feel the excitement of experiencing it as if it's happening now. This isn't about pretending, it's about creating a state of certainty within yourself. Living in the energy of already done aligns you with universal abundance. Instead of focusing on lack or what's missing, you tune into the frequency of having. This mental shift changes your perspective, allowing you to notice opportunities, people, and situations that support your goals. When doubts creep in, remind yourself that the outer world takes time to catch up with your inner state. Stay consistent in your thoughts and feelings, and take inspired actions that align with your vision. The universe responds to your inner state, not your outer circumstances. By embodying the feeling of already done, you become a powerful creator of your reality, opening the door for your dreams to materialize effortlessly. Relaxation isn't just a luxury, it's a critical part of manifesting your desires. When you relax, your brain transitions from high-frequency beta waves associated with stress and overthinking to lower-frequency alpha and theta waves. These relaxed brainwave states are linked to heightened creativity, intuition, and receptivity, making them the perfect environment for manifestation. In alpha and theta states, your mind is more suggestible, meaning affirmations, visualizations, and positive thoughts can deeply influence your subconscious. This is the space where your imagination becomes a powerful tool for creation. When you visualize your desires during relaxation, your brain treats it as a real experience, strengthening the neural pathways associated with that reality. Over time, these mental rehearsals begin to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired outcome. Relaxation also quiets the ego's need for control, which often creates resistance. In a relaxed state, you surrender to the natural flow of life, trusting that the universe is working in your favor. This reduces cortisol levels, lowers stress, and helps you attract opportunities with ease rather than effort. Scientific studies have shown that a relaxed mind accesses the creative problem-solving abilities of the subconscious, often resulting in unexpected insights and solutions. By intentionally relaxing through meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature, you tap into the flow of universal abundance. In this calm, open state, you're not only more aligned with your desires, but you also create space for the universe to work its magic and bring them to life. Trusting the invisible path is about believing in the unseen forces of the universe that guide you, even when the destination feels uncertain. It requires faith in the idea that everything is happening for your highest good, even if the how and when are not immediately clear. This trust allows you to release fear and resistance, aligning you with the flow of life. Imagine walking through a dense fog where the path ahead isn't visible. You can only see the next few steps, but as you move forward, the path reveals itself. This is how the universe works. It often doesn't show you the entire plan, but it provides exactly what you need at the right time. Trusting this process opens you up to unimaginable opportunities that you couldn't have planned for yourself. This kind of trust stems from recognizing that there's a greater intelligence at work, one that sees the bigger picture when you cannot. Instead of worrying about outcomes, focus on staying aligned with your desires through positive thoughts, feelings, and actions. Every inspired step you take, no matter how small, sends a powerful signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. When you trust the invisible path, you let go of doubt and embrace possibilities. You allow yourself to be guided by synchronicities, intuition, and inspired actions. Often what unfolds is far greater than anything you could have planned. Trust the unseen and watch as the universe orchestrates miracles beyond your imagination. Life often feels like an uphill battle when we fight against circumstances, resist change, or try to control every outcome. This constant struggle creates resistance, draining our energy and leaving us stuck in a cycle of frustration and stress. But there's a better way: embracing the flow of life. When you fight against what is, you're focusing your energy on what you don't want, which amplifies it. This resistance blocks the natural flow of abundance, solutions, and opportunities. It's like trying to swim upstream, exhausting yourself while getting nowhere. The truth is, what you resist persists. Instead, try flowing with life. Flowing doesn't mean giving up. It means accepting where you are and trusting that life is guiding you. When you release the need to control every detail and embrace ease, you shift your focus to possibilities rather than problems. This creates space for clarity and inspired action. Flowing with life means staying present, trusting the process, and allowing life to unfold. It's about recognizing that challenges are not roadblocks, they're stepping stones. When you stop resisting and start flowing, you align with the rhythm of the universe, where things begin to happen effortlessly. Start small. When faced with challenges, pause and ask, what's the easiest way forward? Surrender your struggle, trust the timing, and take inspired action. You'll notice how life starts to move in your favor, transforming your reality into one of peace, abundance, and limitless possibilities. One of the most powerful times to align with the universe and manifest effortlessly is just before sleep. During this period, your subconscious mind is most receptive, and the impressions you leave before drifting off shape your reality. Here's my personal step-by-step nightly routine to relax deeply and trust the universe to deliver. Set the atmosphere. I create a calming environment by dimming the lights and using soothing scents like lavender or sandalwood. This signals my mind and body that it's time to wind down, disconnect from the day. I take a few moments to reflect on the day and release any lingering tension or worries. Writing in a gratitude journal helps me shift my focus from problems to the blessings in my life. Practice deep relaxation. I lie down comfortably and take deep breaths, inhaling for 4 counts, holding for 4, and exhaling for 6. This calms my nervous system and transitions my brain into a relaxed alpha or theta state. Visualize my desires. I imagine one specific desire is already fulfilled. I create a vivid mental picture involving all my senses, what I see, hear, and feel. I embody the emotions of joy, gratitude, and relief as if it's already real. Repeat an affirmation. While holding the feeling of my desire, I silently repeat a simple affirmation like, everything is always working out for me. Let go and trust. Before falling asleep, I remind myself that the universe is handling the how. I relax into trust, knowing my desires are on their way. This nightly practice not only helps me manifest effortlessly, but also ensures I wake up refreshed, aligned, and ready for the day ahead. What if right now the universe is already working behind the scenes to bring your desires to life? Imagine for a moment that everything happening, both the highs and the challenges, is perfectly orchestrated to guide you to your dreams. How would that change the way you think, feel, and act? Assuming that the universe is always conspiring in your favor is one of the most empowering mindsets you can adopt. Instead of seeing setbacks as obstacles, you start seeing them as stepping stones. When you believe that life is working for you, not against you, you begin to notice opportunities, synchronicities, and blessings that were always there but previously overlooked. This mindset shifts your focus from fear and doubt to trust and optimism. It allows you to relax, knowing you don't have to figure out every detail on your own. Your job is simply to stay aligned with your desires, take inspired action, and remain open to the infinite ways the universe can deliver. Think about times when unexpected detours turned out to be blessings in disguise. The same principle applies to everything in your life. Trust that even when things seem uncertain, the universe is rearranging circumstances for your highest good. Adopting this belief changes everything. You'll feel more peaceful, confident, and grateful. Life becomes less about struggle and more about flow. So, next time you face a challenge, ask yourself, what if this is exactly what I need to get where I want to go? Trust it's already working for you. When life feels overwhelming and chaotic, it's easy to spiral into anxiety and stress. But it's precisely in these moments that relaxation and trust become most important. Taking time to ground yourself allows you to regain clarity and see solutions where there once seemed to be none. Here's how you can relax when life feels out of control. Pause and breathe. Start with deep breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. This simple practice calms your nervous system and brings your focus back to the present. Focus on what you can control. Identify small actions you can take, even if they seem insignificant. This could be organizing your space, making a to-do list, or simply hydrating. Taking control of small things helps you feel more grounded. Shift your perspective. Ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Or how can this be working for my highest good? Trust that the universe often uses challenges to realign you with your true path. Practice gratitude. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how small. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack and chaos to abundance and blessings. Visualize peace and calm. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful scene, a beach, a forest, or simply a safe, calming space. Feel yourself immersed in that environment. Let go and trust. Repeat an affirmation like, I am supported and everything is working out for my highest good. Surrender the need to control everything and trust the process. Relaxation doesn't mean ignoring challenges. It means trusting that you'll navigate through them with grace and strength. When you relax, you allow life to flow and solutions to emerge naturally. There have been moments in my life when I faced uncertainty so overwhelming that letting go felt impossible. But it was in those moments when I chose to trust the universe that I experienced outcomes so miraculous they forever changed how I view life. Let me share two stories that taught me the power of surrender. Several years ago, I found myself struggling financially, with mounting bills and no clear way forward. I was consumed by stress, trying to control every detail. One night, exhausted, I decided to let go. I visualized my problems resolving effortlessly, felt gratitude as if it were already done, and told myself, the universe has this. Within days, unexpected opportunities arose: a freelance project, a refund I hadn't expected, and even a kind gesture from a friend. It wasn't luck, it was the power of trust and alignment. Another time, I was anxiously waiting for a job offer that felt like a long shot. Instead of worrying, I started imagining myself already working there, feeling the joy and excitement as if it were real. I trusted that, no matter the outcome, something perfect would come my way. A week later, not only did I get the offer, but it came with better terms than I had hoped for. These experiences taught me that when you let go of control and trust the universe, miracles happen. The key is to align your energy with what you desire and trust the process, even when the path isn't clear. The universe truly works in remarkable ways. Trusting the universe begins with trusting yourself. Why? Because the universe works through you. Your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are the tools through which the universe manifests your desires. If you don't trust yourself, your decisions, instincts, or ability to create, you'll always doubt the process of manifestation. Self-trust is about knowing that you are capable, worthy, and connected to the infinite intelligence of the universe. It's realizing that your inner guidance is the universe speaking directly to you. When you strengthen your self-belief, you align with the universal flow and become a co-creator of your reality. Think about this: when you doubt yourself, you send mixed signals to the universe. You might visualize abundance, but internally question if you deserve it or can handle it. This internal conflict creates resistance. On the other hand, when you trust yourself, you exude confidence and certainty, which the universe mirrors back to you. Building self-trust starts with small steps. Honor your intuition, even when it doesn't make logical sense. Reflect on past decisions that worked out in your favor. You've overcome challenges before, and you can do it again. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, to reinforce your confidence. When you trust yourself, you naturally trust the universe because you realize they are not separate. You are a vital part of the universal process. Strengthen your self-belief, and you'll bridge the gap between desire and manifestation, allowing your dreams to flow effortlessly into your reality. Trust yourself, it's where the magic begins. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and diving into the ways I relax and trust the universe. I hope this video has inspired you to let go of stress, embrace ease, and trust that everything is working out for your highest good. Remember, the universe has your back. It's just waiting for you to align and let it flow. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need this message. And now I'd love to hear from you. How do you relax and trust the universe in your own life? Or if this message resonates with you, comment Amen below to affirm your trust and alignment with the universe. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upcoming video filled with insights, tips, and inspiration. Until next time, remember, trust, relax, and let the universe work its magic. You've got this. See you in the next video.